Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to fix the unlicensed Adobe app has been disabled. If you do not use any Adobe product but still encounter this warning on your device, the pop-up could be a scammer's tab. If you use Adobe software and receive this pop-up, click the More Info button. If the link takes you to Adobe official website, it is authentic, otherwise it is not. You can only get a license for an Adobe product through the Adobe website or one of its official partners. The pop-up that directs you to any other website to purchase the license is likely a scam. Right-click the executable files of the software and select Properties. Now navigate to the Details tab and look for the copyright details. The software you use is legitimate if the copyrights belongs to Adobe System Inc. If you currently use an unlicensed product, purchase an original license to eliminate this problem. If you do not receive a positive response from Adobe but would like to stop getting these pop-ups temporarily, it's time to try something else. The Adobe Genuine Software Service is one of the services Adobe uses to prevent unauthorized use of its product. In general, if this verification check detects unusual activity, it immediately triggered that this unlicensed or non-genuine Adobe app will be disabled soon, warning requiring the user purchase a license. Verifying that your software is legitimate and reinstall the Adobe Genuine software should be enough to solve the problem. If that doesn't work, close other Adobe-related processes through the Task Manager and Service app. Next, type the Task Manager in Windows Search and open Task Manager. Here, type Adobe into the search bar at the top of Task Manager and hit Enter. Locate and close all Adobe-related services. Right-click on each process one by one and click End Task. Then, open the Services app by typing Service into Windows Search. After that, find the Adobe-related services, click them one by one, and click End Task. If the error message still pop up, there's not a great deal more you can do that doesn't involve performing some shady tweaks and fixes on your PC. As such, now might be a good time to either find a different Adobe app for the job or jump ship from the Adobe family altogether. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.